Here's how to bar lace Jordan 4s. Let's start by taking our lace and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets from above, just like this. So take your lace end and wiggle it down through the plastic and through the eyelet. Pull it through a little bit, but not all the way. Swap to the other one. And we're going to do the same. Wiggle it down through the eyelet from above and pull it through a little bit. Then get a hold of your two lace ends, hold them together like this. Grab your Jordans and then just pull that excess lace through. And what this will mean is your laces will come out of equal length. If there's a little twist in yours, that's totally normal, just fix it. And if your laces aren't of equal length, pause the video, make sure they are before we carry on. There's absolutely no rush, guys. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it up through the third eyelet on this side. So we're going to skip the second one, go to the third one, and we're going to bring that lace end up through it from underneath, if that makes sense. So just like this, pull that through. Looking good. Then keep a hold of this lace and we're going to take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side from above. So pull it through the corresponding eyelet and there you go, we'll have a bar pattern. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as often as you need, just go at your own pace. Then we're going to take a hold of the other lace and we're going to bring it up through the empty eyelet here that we left, the second one, from underneath, just like this. So through the plastic, just like this, from underneath. And then we're going to fill in the empty eyelet on the other side. So we're going to take the lace end down into it this time. Let's just wiggle that through and just pull it through to make another bar. Great, and now we're going to repeat that entire pattern. So just feed that lace underneath that bar there so it has freedom to move around. And we're going to skip an eyelet and instead come up through the one above that from underneath. Just like this. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side. Looking good, pull that through. And then we're going to swap to the other lace and fill in these empty eyelets here by coming up through this one from underneath, bringing it over the sneaker tongue and taking the lace end down into the other eyelet from above. Making sure to fill that in. Just like that. Looking really good, guys. And then we're just going to do that pattern one more time. So take that lace end underneath there, skip this eyelet, and we're going to go up into the next one from underneath and through the plastic. Pull that all the way through. Make sure there's no creases. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side. Nice. Pop that lace out the way, swap back to the other one, and we're going to fill in those holes. So bring it up through the empty eyelet from underneath, over the sneaker tongue and down into the other empty eyelet from above. Just like that. And then we're going to bring it underneath there so it's freedom to move. Then with these excess laces, we're just going to tie them in a little loose bow like this, and then take that bow and slip it behind the sneaker tongue. Now these laces are super soft, that bow will just sit on top of your feet and you'll be able to slip your feet in and out of your Jordans. Repeat on the other sneaker and you'll have a really awesome pair of bar lace Jordan 4s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. Thanks guys!